while we're working on the trees for safety at Mount Madonna Park, the main areas are closed. We do have one day use area that's open because there are no hazards identified. Well, the disease, there's different factors that are affecting the trees. One of them is a root rot fungus, which is called armillaria. And then there's another canker. It's a canker rot that affects oak trees, which is this. It basically works from the inside of the tree out and kind of rots the tree as it goes out.
It's amazing this tree's still standing.
All right.